Yeah, make sure you subscribe.
Yes. We're on our way to Marion Bay. We're almost there.
For viewers that don't know, we're heading down York Peninsula. York Peninsula is in South Australia. Just to the west of Adelaide there's two gulfs, and down the middle of them is York Peninsula. It looks a bit like a leg with a foot on the end.
And right down at the bottom of the foot is Marion Bay. And a beautiful national park which we hope to do some hiking. And
Yeah,
we're going into the little caravan park, a couple of unpowered sites.
Well, I better let you go ahead because I don't know where this caravan park is.
Yeah, well, I don't either, but we'll try and find it, Chris.
Good.
Welcome to Marion Bay. I reckon the last time I was here was about 75 years ago, Chris.
Really?
Yep. So the next few days we're going to explore. What a beautiful little place this is. There's some beaches down here, beautiful beaches. There's an old wreck which they call the Ethel Wreck, which we'll be looking at later. And there's the national park.
So how long did it take us to ride here?
It's about 3.5 hours roughly to get here. It's 300 or so kilometres from Adelaide. Now I don't know where we're going. Oh look, this looks like the caravan park just in there.
Here we are.
Oh, some off-roading. Oh.
You could have gone forward a little bit more.
Oh, sorry. We're here. What a journey. Look, the park itself's fine and the staff are really nice. However, Chris's campsite is a little bit disappointing, but we're going to soldier on, aren't we? Good morning. Chris is still asleep. This is Marion Bay Caravan Park. About 6:30 in the morning. When Chris eventually gets up, might be an hour or two, we'll go exploring, put the drone up. Looking forward to it.
Tim keeps on parking front way first, so we have to pull him out all the time.
Hello guys, we're just going for a quick ride into Innes National Park. Let's do it, Chris, it's really hot. We're at the information centre in Innes National Park, as you can see. We've paid our money, we're legal, so let's go for a ride through the park, shall we? What do you think, Chris?
Ah, now this is a nice beach to for a swim.
Here we go, turning all around into lights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go.
We probably should swap positions because I look like a giant.
There you are. It's my wedding anniversary tomorrow.
And you're spending it with me.
I forgot. Yeah, that's why we need to get home at a reasonable hour.
So we're going to go for a walk.
Hello. Last time we camped, Chris gave me a hard time about taking hours and hours to pack up. Well, look at this. I have been ready for about 3 or 4 hours. And look, I reckon he's at least another hour or two away.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you know.
Oh, that was a nice breakfast.
It was really good. And actually the ride from Marion Bay to here was really nice. So we're in, how do you say it, Minlaton. We're just about to head off home. What did you think of the trip, Chris?
Well, it's my first time down the end of York Peninsula. Beautiful area.
Fantastic.
Definitely want to come back.
Overall, the trip, although it was only really a day there, spent there, was fantastic. We were in the Innes National Park and riding the bikes, having a look at stuff, and it's just gorgeous.
I think if I was going to come back, I might camp there in the national park.
Yeah, look, the caravan, look, it was a great caravan park. The facilities were good. The staff were really good. The only disappointing thing really was particularly Chris's campsite. But other than that, everything else was very good. Overall, I would have given the trip about a 9.72 out of 10.
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, definitely. Well, the national park was definitely the highlight.
We've got some great drone footage. We did some nice little walks. Food was good, company was good, weather was good. The bikes are great. We were sleeping in beautiful tents.
Like palaces.
The palaces. Overall, a great trip, really.
Yep.
So, as always, check the end screen out because I'll be promoting a new channel. If you give it a like or a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. That'd be lovely. And comment. I love your comments. Put a comment down the bottom and I'll get back to you. Well, take care and we'll see you next time, guys.